Why do experts believe the Iran and Ukraine conflicts could potentially lead to a wider international war? Because the boundaries between these wars are blurring fast, threatening to redraw global alliances and escalate violence worldwide. The Iran and Ukraine conflicts are no longer isolated. Iranian drones have been spotted in Ukraine, indicating Tehran's involvement beyond its region. Meanwhile, Ukraine is providing support to Gulf states, which are directly involved in the Iran-Israel military confrontation. This cross-involvement is blurring the lines between these wars, raising fears that local battles could escalate into a global conflict. The U.S. has already responded with threats of imposing the toughest sanctions in history, signaling the high stakes involved. Currently, more than 56 active conflicts rage globally, including the Russia-Ukraine war, which is the largest European conflict since 1945, and the Iran-Israel military confrontation. Civil wars in Sudan, Myanmar, and the Democratic Republic of Congo add to the instability. This degraded geopolitical landscape means that any spark in one conflict zone can quickly ignite others. The Iran and Ukraine wars, given their scale and international involvement, are especially dangerous in this context. The Iran conflict has already shown its potential to disrupt global economics, especially Asia's economic security. The Strait of Hormuz, a vital global oil shipping route, has faced threats of closure amid rising tensions. Such a blockade could trigger a historic energy crisis, impacting economies worldwide. This adds an economic dimension to the risks, as countries dependent on energy imports could be drawn into conflict to protect their interests. Military actions continue to escalate. Russian forces recently attacked Kyiv, causing fires in at least 3 districts. Meanwhile, Iran has publicly blamed Kyiv for a recent attack on its vessel in the Caspian Sea. These direct confrontations increase the risk of broader military engagement, especially as alliances deepen. Such incidents make de-escalation more difficult and increase the chances that local conflicts will expand internationally. Experts warn that the intertwining of the Iran and Ukraine conflicts could reshape the global order. The involvement of major powers and regional actors creates a complex web of alliances and hostilities. This could lead to a realignment of international relations with long-lasting consequences. Understanding these dynamics is critical, as the stakes go beyond regional disputes to potentially global warfare and political shifts. What this means for you is that the world is closer than ever to a conflict that could affect your safety, economy, and daily life. Energy prices, global security, and diplomatic relations could all shift dramatically. Staying informed and understanding these risks can help you prepare and respond. Don't forget to subscribe for daily updates on this evolving story.